All right, welcome back, guys. It's another day of subatizing and decomposing and composing numbers. Today, we're going to move on to numbers 8 and 9. Yesterday, we did 6 and 7. All right, so we're going to start off with a little quick look at the cube, and you shout out the number that you see. Ready? 6, good. 5, good. 2, good. 4, good. 3, good. 1, good. Keep practicing, okay? You're doing a great job with this. All right, I'm going to share my screen and we're just going to work with the Elmo today. Hopefully, we can get this going correctly. You know, Ms. Clemens is having some major technical issues. And that's not it. Let's see if I can minimize all this for us and then it'll pick it up. All right, let's see. All right, let's see if it'll pick it up here. Okay, I'm sorry about all that technical stuff, okay? All right, so today we're just gonna start, well, we'll do this in a second. So I said we were gonna do numbers 8 and 9, sorry. So we can represent the 8 by tally marks. By tally marks, we have 5, because we closed the gate there. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. All right, that's one way we can represent 8. We can represent 8 with our fingers, right? 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 fingers, okay? Or you could do 4 and 4. However you want to do it, you have 8 fingers somehow. All right, we can also use 2 dice. Let me get out 2. And we could have a 4 and a 4 right here. That would equal 8. We could do a 5 and a 3 if I can find it. And that's 8. All right, we could do a 6 and a 2. And you know what? We're going to do this with our number bond sheet, okay? That's just some examples. If you're playing a game and you roll and you have to count, that's how you do it, okay? All right, so I'm gonna get out my number bond sheet and today we are working with number 8 right now, number 8. So I'm gonna draw my number 8 and I hope everybody can recognize your numbers 1 through 10. If not, it's gonna be kind of tough. All right, so this is the number 8. So just like yesterday, I'm gonna get out 8 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's my whole, okay? So that's what we start off. We start off as a whole and we're gonna break it down, decomposing, into parts, whole into parts. Okay, it's gonna have 2 parts here. Okay, so let's think about the different ways we can do it. We can always start with our 0, right? So if we have 0 up here, we know all 8 are going to go down here, right? Yes, okay. 0 plus 8 equals 8. And it's the same thing as saying 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. All right, let's move up to 1. Move up to 1. So let's leave 1 heart there and move all the other ones down here. How many are down here? 7, good. So we have 1 plus 7 equals 8. All right, and it's the same thing as saying 7 and 1. So all you do is just flip them around, okay? Good job. Let me see if I can move this so you can see better, okay? All right, let's go to 2. Let's put 2 up here. 1, 2. And pull all the other ones down here. Let's count how many we have down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Good. And all we have to do is flip them around and say 6 plus 2. Okay? Same thing. All right, let's leave 3 up there and move the rest of them down here. So we have 3 up here. How many are left down here? 5. Good. So you know 3 plus 5 is 8. It's another way. And we can reverse it. 5 plus 3 is 8. Same thing. All right, I'm going to move 1 down here, and let's count how many we have up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 4 up here, 4 down here, right? Because I can look at that and tell, or I could count them. So 4 plus 4 is 8, or you could switch them. 4 plus 4 is 8. So those are all the different ways that you can make the number 8. You break it apart from your whole, and those are some different ways. Okay, when you do your worksheets, you're not going to have to do them this many times. Okay, I'm just showing you all the different ways that would be right. Okay, all right, our next number. Our next number is the number, what? 9. Show me a 9 with your hands, your fingers. Okay, you have 9 fingers right there, 9. Okay, that's 9, and we can also do 9 tally marks. 9 tally marks. Let me put this way so it's upside down. All right, so we have 5, and I already know that because I see the line going through it. So there's no need to go back and count these. It's automatically 5, and then you count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we can represent 9 by 9 dots. We can represent 9 by 9 blocks. There's so many different ways we can do this. Okay, so now I want to show you the number bonds for the number 9. 9. And remember, don't get it confused with the 6 when you're making it. Circle and then your line. 9. All right, let's count out 9 hearts and do it again, friends. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 hearts. So remember, we're going to break it down from the whole. This is your whole. We have them all together. It's a whole into parts. All right. So we could start with 0 always, right? Okay. So we know we have 0 up there and 9 down here, and vice versa, which means the same thing. 9 up here, 0 down here. All right. So I'm going to put 1 up here, and I'm going to slide the rest over here. So who knows, just right off without having to count those, how many are left? 8. Good. So you're working backwards. Okay, so 1 plus 8 is 9. And the same thing would be if we said 8 up here and 1 down here. 8 plus 1 is 9. These are all the correct ways you can do it. All right, let's leave 2 up there and pull the rest of them down here. All right, let's count how many we now have at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 at the bottom, 2 and 7, or 7 and 2. It doesn't matter which way you make them, just as long as you just divide them. Don't add any more to them, okay? You can only have what's right here, okay? All right, so let's leave 3 at the top and pull the rest to the bottom. So 3, okay, so let's count how many we have down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. 3 plus 6 is 9, or we could flip them around, and 6 plus 3 is 9. All right, good. So now I'm going to leave 4 up here. Just going my numbers right in order. 4 at the top leaves how many at the bottom? It's not focusing really good right now. I don't know why. I'm sorry about that. There it goes. There it goes. So we have 4, and let's count how many at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9, and you can also flip it. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, and that's the different ways that you can make the number 9. So practice on your worksheets today. Use your manipulatives. If you are still confused, please, please, in your Zooms today, tell your teacher to help you. This is brand new for you guys, so we are here to help you to make sure you truly understand it. We want you to understand this part before we move into addition. So don't forget to tell if you need to, okay? All right, you guys have a great afternoon. Do your class kick, and I'll see you tomorrow.